Hello, you trader nerds. Welcome into a wild and wacky Tuesday. The market was down like 1%. Now it's only down 0.62%. And it looks like we had a lot of buys coming in at the end here. Look at the volume there, y'all. Somebody who was a big daddy come in and said, "What's this? Hold my burr. I'm going to prop the market up." And indeed they did. Look at that. So somebody bought the dip. So is that the right move or not? Who knows? But that certainly moved up. VIX has popped up to 14.6. And let's look at the big green monster. Big green monster, as I told you yesterday, I said we are overbought. Do not be surprised if we see filling these gaps. And indeed, we went in and filled some gaps today. And do not be surprised, dear friend. Do not be surprised if we stay in this area for a while and fill some of these gaps. And there is a potential. We could go back down to 51.92. It is a possibility and a somewhat more than 50% probability. So that's what we're saying. So today's kind of a sad day. Yesterday, I did 52 orders and I closed all of my accounts in this IRA. Look at this, y'all. This is so sad. Look. I don't have any position. There is nothing. There's no positions. There's nothing in this. I closed it all out because I am transferring my IRA to Tasty. And today I'm trading my Roth IRA. And y'all, I am closing this thing out too. Now, I don't think I can close Bill after 4 o'clock. Let me see if I can close Bill. Let's see this. Let's see if I can do a closing order here. I don't think I can after 4. I think it'll have to do it tomorrow. Let's see. Sell 250 bills. What's my thingy-majiggy? There we go. 275 of those at 91, whatever. I think that they'll have to be open tomorrow. Is that right? Yeah, I don't think that'll work. So let me just cancel that. Working order. We'll have to do that tomorrow. But what I am working on is getting rid of everything here, y'all, because it is time, unfortunately, for me to say goodbye to Thinkorswim. You've been good to me all these years, but I'm moving everything to Tasty because I don't trust Charles Schwab. So let's go look and see what we could do today. So we got to get rid of some stuff. So this might be interesting for y'all to, if you've ever done this, just kind of closing some positions. I would probably close my nakeds first, just in case the market went haywire. So let's see what we got here. Let's see, where's my nakeds? Nakeds. Look at this. All right. How come it doesn't say what percentage winner it is? Huh. Something's wrong with my stuff. Because normally it would say how much, percentage winner all this stuff was. Anyway, so let's just start closing them. So create closing order, buy. Now, y'all, I am really, really, really conservative. I want to try to get it for 650. If I'm buying, I try to do this so that I don't pay out as much. But normally I have to adjust my prices. So let's see if we can get a little bit of liquidity to get rid of some of these little trades today. 665. Determine sin. That didn't feel. So is anyone else besides me doing the switcheroo? Put in the order for EXT. You put in for day. Okay. Why am I moving to Tasty? Listen, it's not all Charles Schwab's fault, right? It's not their fault. And the reason is I have a fund that I am now going to be trading. And so I am putting my IRAs together into the fund. So we decided to open the fund at Tasty. So I'm going to put both of my IRAs into a custodial account. And that custodial account, we're going to, they're going to keep it and everything. And this is something that some of y'all might be interested in. This way I can actually, trade my IRA, not in an IRA account. It's being traded in a regular brokerage account, margin account, but I'm doing it with my IRA funds. And I know what y'all are thinking, Bobby, what in the world? I know it sounds a little dangerous, but I think I know what I'm doing by now. So it's not all Charles Schwab's fault. It's just that when I was opening a new account, I said, you know what? I think I want to have it at Tasty. I just do. And let's see, 205. Let's go to 210. If I close these out, hopefully we won't have 52 orders today, but we'll just kind of work them out here and see how it goes. I got nothing but time, y'all. I have taught my class today. You can trade bill after hours. You just need to change the time in force to EXT. Oh, okay, good. I didn't know that. What's that? Let's go do that. That's a good thing, y'all. Change. I had no idea that you had to change the time in force to extended hours. Look at that, y'all. We learn something every day. So let's see what we got going on here. We got what in the world? It's canceled orders. So let's go to bill. Where's my bill? Bill. Well, heck. Hold on. T-bills. Here's bills. Create closing order. 9143. So time in force to extended hours. Look at that. How about that? Look at that, Shane. Golly. I tell you what, you can teach an old dog new tricks, can't you? I had no idea that. I got rid of all my bill today. So that's good. So now let's see what else we got. We got our naked put still. We're getting rid of those. So we'll just sit here and just chew the fat a little bit. And yeah, I just decided to run a fund. And, I thought it'd be nice to put all my money into one little basket. There we go. We're out of that. Good. Now we're going to get some slippage, so I'm going to lose a couple $100 by closing all my positions, but that's fine. No big deal. It's just money. We only live once, and then we'll make it again when we get back into the other account. So let's try 860 there. There we go. Oh, we're getting good feels after hours in the extended session. This is good. Come here, baby. So let's see what else we got. We got 6 here. All right, create closing order. At 275, we're going to try that 245. Let's try 250. Try to get out of those. Nothing. Jack squat crap, nothing. Yeah, but I'm still going to use the tools of Thinkorswim, the analytic tools, all of that. And I'm thinking also about doing a paper trading account of a strategy that I used to do in 2016, which was ratio and strangles on S&P 500 products. So I think I'm going to do that, and we'll give us something else to follow along with. Look at this, 29.75. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There we go. Boy, we got quite a bit of liquidity here, don't we? This is good. All right. But it's just sad, that I won't actually have any live accounts going here for the first time in a long, long time. A little sad. Little old Bobby doing it on his own, going to the big time, going over to tastytrade. All right, now out of that, good. See how many orders it takes me to get out of everything today. The put debit spreads are the really hard thing to get out of. So let's see, there's my field orders. So let's go get rid of this one, create closing order. And we'll try 17 because I am a greedy capitalist pig. I love capitalism. I am all about it. Love it. Where you got markets that you can trade after hours even. Isn't this fun? Look at this. Yes, hallelujah. All right, so let's get out of some more of these things. Had a good class with my kiddos at the University of West Georgia today. It was really good. So, come here, little fella. I don't like these being up there. It's $37, so that's a lot of money. What did I sell those for? Okay, we're out. Get out. All right, let's see. Yeah, you never know what you learn on this program. You can sell bill after hours. Just got to change the time in force. So let's go down to 575. Try to save some pennies. Oh man, I should have went down to 570. Oh well. Live and learn, Bob. So we're almost finished with our naked stuff. Now we need a crash to happen. I'll just leave all the put debit spreads in place and let the market crash, and then we'll make a fortune. Let's do $100.70 there. There we go. Good, Bob. See, it didn't. Now, this is how you do it too when the market crashes and you're making all that money from the hedges. You just got to peel them off one by one, baby. That's all you do. Peel these little things off one by one. This is exactly how I did it, except my hands were shaking. I was like, oh, I could never made so much money in my entire life. Oh, my God. My mama thought I'd always be a failure. I'm like, look at me now, mama. Bad daddy ain't a failure no more. We're a trader now. Look at this. We almost got rid of all these. Great closing order. Buy them. Let's see. We're going to try 45 cents because we're greedy. Greed serves its purpose, y'all. It really does. Most of the time, we don't get filled on those little things, but we have to bump it up a little bit. Cost us a couple extra dollars. That's okay. Ain't nothing but fine. My kids have they're on spring break, and they've got two goats in the kitchen. They went to the barn and got two of our goats out. So I'm like, y'all take them dasty darn things outside. Oh, we're cleaning up the goat poop, Dad. Don't worry. I'm like, you little brats. You little brats. I bet I'm the only person here today that has goats in their house as of right now. Probably the only person. Well, I wouldn't say the only person in the United States. I mean, I do live next to the Alabama line. You know, somebody's got goats in their house. So let's see. Here we go. All right, that's all of our naked, y'all. Look at that. All. Let's see. $3, $2.90, $2.85. Come on. Come on, little kitty. Cancel replace. Hope everybody had a good day of trading. The market was really down there for a while, wasn't it? But remember, I mean, y'all, I don't know. The big green monster is the best tool that we have. I mean, I just said yesterday, I said, look, we expect that we're going to go down. And danged if we didn't. And I even think we can go down a little bit more. I think it's entirely a possibility. All right, so that should be all of our put debit spreads. I mean, our naked puts. Let's see if that's right. So we got all of those gone. Yep. So now let's get rid of everything else. So BSH1. Oh, man, I hate closing all these. Oh, man. Oh, I worked hard for this. Worked really hard building these hedges just to have them close down. There we go. Now we're left with 20 loans, right? So we got to sell those. So we want as much money as we can from those. Create closing order. Sell 20 for 30. We're going to try 35. So that'd give us $313 back. No. So let's cancel replace. Make it less advantageous, 30 cents. There we go. Out of that. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the group BSH1. We're out of that. So let's delete that group. Okay. So that leaves us now with BSH2. BSH2. We just got 5 loans there. So let's create those. Oh, man. We're only going to get 5 cents out of them. Jeez. How sad. God, we may not get 5 cents out of them. Look at that. Oh, no. Can't go any less than that. Let's see. I'm selling them for 5. We can't sell them for 10. We'll let that work for a minute. I knew there'd be one thing that would stick that I couldn't get out today. So let's go. That's BSH2. BSH3 is gone, baby. Look at that. So let's delete that group. And BSH4, we got 5 on it. Let's see if we can close this one. Sell those for 5 cents. Jeez. I'm going to try for 10. Won't get it. Then we'll go back and try for 5. Cancel replace. 5 cents. Come on, let me out of this one. There we go. We got out of that one. And then let's go. Come here, little feller. All right, now what we got? BSH4. So we're finished with those. So let's delete that group. Delete group. Yes. Let's go to BSH. So it makes you mad because you spent all this time getting all these positions on. And then you got to just tell them buy, right? All my little hedges. So we want to go $1.50 on that. But y'all have never seen a account just close down. So I wanted to show y'all this today. I thought, hey, I did it yesterday by myself, but I thought I'll just show y'all how it looks to close an account and just how you do it. Not that I'm an expert. I mean, I've done it before. I did it yesterday, but it wasn't with y'all. So I thought I'd do it by myself today. And I thought, no, everybody wants to see this. This will be good. Create closing order. And nothing against our friends at Schwab. It's just, hey, I got to go with my buddy Tom Shosnoff. I mean, he's writing the forward for my book, The Graduate Millionaire. What do you expect me to do? I need to show my loyalty to the man. He's the one that showed me how to trade. You know, so I gotta show my loyalty, I guess. And I think some of y'all are going to be following me too. I really do. I think some of y'all are going to be like, "Oh my gosh, we are out of here," because I don't trust Schwab at all. I don't at all. So that's BSH5. So put debit spreads. We got rid of our T bills. Here's BSH8. Just got three shorts. Create closing order. Buy those at, that's probably what we paid for them, wasn't it? $3. There we go. Got out of those. Not too bad. I mean, so that's all of our BSH8. Delete group. Yes. Now it'll be interesting to see how long it's going to take my custodian to get my funds into my hedge fund. We'll see how long that takes. That ought to be interesting. So BSH6, let's close these three. Buy those back. Want to buy them back as cheap as we can, if possible. Come on. Pay a little more. Got to nickel it up. Everything's a nickel. That ought to feel. I said that ought to feel. Don't embarrass me in front of my friends. Gonna make me go to $1.60, aren't you? $1.60. There we go. We're out of that. So then, let's see what else we got here. We got these five. We'll sell those for as much as we can. $1.30. We like, give me $1.45, baby. Come on. Come on. $1.40. Did y'all have a good trading day today? Hope everybody did. Come here. This may be the most orders that I've ever done in a single session before. There we go. There we go. All right, so that means BSH6 is gone. We can take rid of that group. All right, so that means BSH7. Hello, BSH7. We got three here. Create closing order. I'm going to try to pay 225. Come on, get me out of here. Save me a nickel. There you go. That's what I like to hear. And then let's go here. So we got rid of that. So let's move this, delete that group. All these great little black swan hedges we had. Unbelievable, just gone. So now that leaves us with BSH9, which is an unclosed one. We hadn't bought the loans yet. So we want to buy that back for around $3. Looks like we're going to have to pay up, just like we normally do on everything. But we're willing to pay it. Let's see if we can get out of all these four here in a second. Come on. There we go. Good, 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 good. All right, so now let's see what that leaves us. So that got rid of that. BSH9 is gone. Delete you. All right, unallocated. We got anything unallocated here? Aha, we got three there. All that other is, so let's get rid of these three. Trade closing order. Oh no, this is another one that might not fill. Come on, fill. That one filled. All right. Oh, my other one filled. Somebody buy that. The other one that I got that order in there. Somebody needs to buy that for 5 cents. Let's see. So we got those down. So that probably means now we've got T-bills gone. We've got futures and futures options put debit spreads. Now, these are the ones that's hard to close, y'all. So let's just do the best we can with these. What the devil's that? That's two naked puts. Let's get rid of those. Like they're in the wrong place. So let's go $5. Okay, got rid of those. So now we got to get rid of these verticals. So create closing order, sell the vertical at $5 credit. Yeah, these are the ones. That's why I left these for last because I'm like, yeah, spreads. 475, move it down a quarter. Okay, that wasn't that bad. Not bad at all. So let's see what we got here. Let's go back here. And we've got, yep. Okay, got rid of that one. So let's get rid of this vertical. Create closing order. Sell it for $1.50. I'm on, little feller. $1.45. I hate nickeling stuff, y'all, but I'm greedy and I got time. I know y'all, I like y'all hanging out with me, but if y'all got to go somewhere, I understand it's just not riveting entertainment here, getting rid of all these things, but something I got to do. There we go. And it's just good to see how it is getting out of positions if you got to, because sometimes when things are crashing, we got to get out of stuff too, right? So this is how you do it, one at a time. Let's bump that down to $1.45. See if we can get out of that. Go a little bit down, a little bit down. $1.35. Okay, not bad. All right. What else we got? We're getting them slowly but surely. We're almost finished. 15 cents. The natural is negative 15. Wow. God, can you imagine me paying them to sell my vertical? Guess you could do it. Okay, here's a vertical. Create closing order. 15 cents. The NAT is negative 20. Isn't that crazy? Huh. All right, let's go back. See what we got. Create closing order. All these at 15 cents. Looks like we're getting out of them pretty good so far. This is good. We're making great progress. All right, so that means we're almost there. Then we're going to see what we can do to get rid of this other one. There's probably not much I can do. Good. These are going so much better than I thought, y'all. I thought I was going to have to move prices all over the place. Let's see, vertical here, create closing order at 10 cents. There you go. Good. Good, good, good. Sometimes those things are boogers to get out of. Now, what is this? It's a single. Well, let's sell him. See what we can get at Nat. $95. See if we can get $1 out of it. There we go. Good call, Bobby. Way to be greedy. And let's see. This is a single. Create closing order. Let's sell him. Let's bump him up to $1.10. Come on, somebody take it. There you go. Good. Good, good, good. These are going great. Real excited. All right, so let's take off this vertical. Wow, look at that one. 825. You gotta be kidding. Wow, we got it too, y'all. 825. Look at that. All right, so let's go here. 60 cents. Wow. All right, come on. Create closing order. 825. Let's try that one again. See if we can get rid of it. 825. Yep, we did. Good. Good, good, good. Oh, Lord. Wonder what's for supper tonight. What y'all having? We had tater tot casserole last night. Sure was good. Beth makes a really good tater tot. What?
We're making Mississippi chicken.
Oh, we got Mississippi chicken tonight, y'all. Now let me tell you about this. You take your crock pot and you put you some chicken in there, and you put you some ranch dressing, seasoning, onion, what?
Like the onion soup mix,
Onion soup mix, butter,
pepper cheese.
and then pepperoncinis. You put a whole thing of those little peppers, that jar of pepper, the pepperoncinis. You put it in there, y'all, my kids go crazy over that stuff. It is so good. Now, you can make it with roast or chicken, but I'm telling you, the chicken is much better. Oh, my gosh. And all you do is put it in the crock pot. It automatically cooks. It's like the easiest dinner ever. And it's so good. Oh, can't wait for that. And especially if you get those little crescent rolls, the little Pillsbury crescent rolls with it. Oh, my God. Yeah, Rod. Chicken is good. Have you ever tried the Mississippi chicken with those pepperoncinis? Whoa, Lord. I don't know what it is. It gives it a little tang, and you sit there and go, man, it don't get much better than this. It's even better than fried chicken, y'all. I ain't even lying. Come here, little fella. Now, why are we having so much trouble on this one? They were all going good, and all of a sudden we start talking about chicken, and somebody's got to throw a wrench in the cog. Come here. This is the first time I've traded with y'all sitting in my underwear in a long time, too. I just got back from college, teaching my college class, and I was like, I'm going to slip on the old underwear. I mean, I had underwear on. I just took my pants off. Feels good. Just let it all hang out, All right, so we're almost done, y'all. Look at this. Almost done. Then we're going to see what we can do on this other one. Mm-hmm. I remember when I used to send them to different exchanges. Y'all remember this? Back in the day, I would send it to ICE, the ICE exchange. I never even knew what it was, but I was like, I've got a feeling they'll buy it if I send it to ICE. See here where it says exchange best? Here we go. Come on, little feller. So we got 3 more positions to go. Right here, where it says exchange best. Now, they used to let you change that. I don't guess they do anymore, huh? Y'all know? But I remember I used to route it to ICE. Why? Because Tom Shosnoff did it. And I was like, well, if Tom Shosnoff does it, I'm going to do it too. Rate it to send it to ICE. You know what ICE was?
Aren't all the futures options on the same exchange?
That's probably why you can't change it, isn't it?
Yeah, because I think stocks you can change.
Yeah, okay. That's it. Yeah, I should have thought about that. Good job out of you, Hal. How are you doing, Hal? What are you having for supper?
We're having some stuffed Italian shells and a couple other some artichoke casserole and some chicken dressing.
Oh, chicken dressing. Oh man, y'all eating high on the hog. How come y'all got dressing tonight? That's normally that's a Thanksgiving thing around here, but that's good, Hal. I'm glad y'all having that.
I got a question for you. How come they call that Mississippi chicken?
I don't know, but it's good. Hal, I'm telling you, put it in a crock pot, get some pepperoni and ranch, a pack of ranch. What is it? Ranch soup mix, Abby, or what? Ranch dressing mix. Yeah, just ranch dressing mix and what kind of soup? Onion soup mix. And
See, I grew up in Mississippi, and nobody in Mississippi ever saw a peppercini until about 10 years ago.
Wow, what part of Mississippi did you go up in?
Around Jackson.
Oh, okay. So you know the song Jackson by Johnny Cash and June Carter.
No, I was a rock and roller.
Oh, you was a rock and roller. Okay. Well, how am I going to get rid of this darn one position I got here?
Well, it looks like this. You can get that.
Surely, let's say I can't change it to 0. Watch, it won't let you send it 0. Single order must have a positive limit price. Now, what if I can't, and it's not going to let me offer to pay for it. So,
yeah, and then
let me try 10 cents and then we'll move it. Lipton soup mix.
Yeah.
You put lips and seasoning. I don't know why they call it. They call it Mississippi pot roast. And then we do it Mississippi chicken. Chicken's better than the pot roast, actually.
Actually.
All right, I'm just gonna let this sit overnight, I guess.
Super.
Lips and seasoning. Yeah, that's good. That's good stuff. All right, so y'all, we'll just let that hang overnight. Let's see, when does this thing expire? Let's see, our only position. Let's see if we can find what it is. It's 5 April the April.
Just
20.
click on your backslide hedge too, and it should have your days there.
Okay, let's see. 17 to go. I'm surprised we can't get out of that. That's the only position that I got to hold.
Change it to GTC.
Yeah, you're right. GTC. Maybe we'll get filled overnight. Okay, y'all. That's it. I'm saying goodbye. I've only got one more position at Think or Swim, and then I'm gone for good. So y'all have a good rest of your day. I tried to do it, Deb, but it wouldn't let me do it, Scott. So y'all have a good rest of your day. I will see everybody tomorrow.